Introducing our Property NG Property Manager model, the all-in-one platform designed to simplify property management and boost efficiency. As a property manager, do you struggle with these challenges? Late or missed rent payments, tenant communication issues, maintenance requests getting lost, manually tracking multiple properties? With our Property NG, this problem becomes a thing of the past. Our Property NG offers an integrated system designed to help you manage tenants, landlord, maintenance teams, and payments seamlessly. Automated rent collection. Tenants can pay rent online and receive instant receipts. Tenant and landlord portals. Direct communication channels for better engagement. Maintenance request system. Easily track and assign service providers to resolve issues. Team management tools. Assign tasks to staff and oversee multiple properties efficiently. Our platform provides dedicated apps for everyone involved in property management. Tenants and occupants app. Tenants can apply for apartment, pay rent, track agreements, and request maintenance services in one place. Landlord and landlady app. Property owners can monitor rent payments, view tenant details, and communicate with the management team effortlessly. Service providers app. Electricians, plumbers, and maintenance teams receive real-time job requests and updates to ensure quick resolution. Our system ensures smooth collaboration between all team members. Company directors and administrators monitor property performance and approve major transactions. Branch managers oversee daily operations and coordinate tenant relations. Account managers handle rent collections, payment tracking, and financial reports. Field and maintenance staff ensure smooth property operations by handling assigned tasks. Our Property NG is fully accredited and trusted with real estate professionals nationwide. We follow industry best practices to ensure secure, seamless, and efficient property management. Our Property NG has completely transformed how we manage our properties. Rent collection is automated, maintenance is well organized, and communication with tenants is easier than ever. Take your property management to the next level with our Property NG. Visit us at ourproperty.com.ng or send us a mail on support@ourproperty.ng.